Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Can you smell that? It smells good. Hey, Martha! Ooh, we be eating good tonight. Sweet Martha! Ooh, we be eating.
What do we? Fat burgers with cheese inside.
Fat burgers with cheese inside.
Yeah, not on the outside, on the inside.
That's what I like to hear.
When we put the burger meat together, we're gonna involve some coffee.
Coffee.
Yeah, fresh ground coffee. Coffee is a perfect mix for chocolate and for beef and for a whole lot of other stuff.
You get that roasted flavor.
Yeah,
kind of nutty
they
flavor.
just have a matching taste, you know, and they go well together.
Yeah.
And to the coffee, we're going to add like a half a tablespoon of onion powder.
Okay.
With half a tablespoon of garlic powder.
All right.
We're going to mix that all up and put that right in with the burger meat. Sharp cheese goes good with that kind of food.
Yeah.
These burgers are going to be smoked. That's
Yeah.
right.
What temperature typically do you like to have the?
Right between 250 and 275.
Okay.
And it's probably going to take, these size burgers are probably going to take maybe 45 minutes to an hour, maybe a little more. We're going to stuff these things with cheese, and it's going to be right inside. It's going to have like a pool of cheese inside, hopefully.
How many pounds?
About 5.5 pounds.
5.5. All right. And you're thinking how many burgers?
I hope I can get 6 of them, maybe. This is 1 cup of ground coffee and 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1/2 tablespoon of onion powder.
Oh yeah.
And we're going to mix this all into the meat.
I think that's a little fancier. This is good old fashioned. Grounded up coffee mixed. Another slasher concoction.
Yeah.
See, about 5 pounds of burger. How much coffee ground do you put in there? Probably
1 cup.
about a cup, right? Got it.
1 cup of coffee.
Perfect. Cheese. Cheddar, right? It's a cheddar cheese.
Cheddar.
Yep.
Sharp.
Yep.
You can use this handle, all nice and clean.
Right. We're gonna put the cheese in there.
Yeah, put the cheese right in.
All right.
There we go.
It's a smoke ring summer, let it roll all night. Beef ribs burning that sweet red light. Cold beer sweating in my right hand. Left hand turning that meat on the stand. Your flame kiss, fat drip, sweat on my shirt. Laugh till it hurts, sauce in the dirt. If love's on the menu, baby, first in line. In this smoke ring summer of mine. Bragging about his brand new rig. I just flip my ribs, say smell this kid. Juice running down, got the whole block staring. Stick your fingers, nobody caring. You lean back in that lawn chair, grin. Sun caught dancing on your tanned up skin. Steal me a kiss by the cedar fence. You taste like beer and a little mischief. It's a smoke ring summer, let it roll all night. Beef ribs burning that sweet red light. Cold beer sweating in my right hand. Left hand turning that meat on the stand.
Some sun-dried tomatoes.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Got
Got garlic in there too.
Mushrooms, got big pieces of garlic. Been marinating.
I just eat this with a fork all day.
Set that right in there.
Right.
Here we go. Look at those burgers, huh?
Oh yeah.
They still got a way to go.
Yo, thumbs up.
I gotta ask you a question.
Yeah.
What's one of the what are some of the favorite burger videos you've done during your time here at the pit?
Well, Bobby Fame and I did a smoked whiskey burger.
Oh yeah.
Probably about maybe 8, 9, 10 years ago.
Yep.
And that was a big hit. It was just a good combination of stuff, and it was a massive burger.
Yeah. Blizzard Burger is.
Yeah,
is a
we did the
classic.
Blizzard burger. Yeah, the one we did right in the Blizzard. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. Some of our newer fans, if you could see some of that.
Yeah, we've
I think
done a
you'd be
ton
impressed.
of burgers, different kinds of burgers. Yep, we did the onion burger, and we did we did a coffee burger. We did a chocolate chip cookie burger.
Yep.
We've done
Butter Burger.
butter burgers. We've done a ton of burgers.
Yep. And then the beer can.
Oh yeah, beer can bacon burger that
Yeah.
that your father Bobby Fame did. Yeah.
All right. You know, you want to get the temp right, probably around 155, 160, so you can pull it and rest it. Let's see, we're going to do another check.
Not yet.
Wow.
Yeah, baby. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they're pretty wet. Take a look at that. They're right up there. Look at that thing. They all healthy.
Bottoms at the front, tops in the back.
That's right. Oh yeah.
Take a look at that, Martha. Oh, take a look at that. You can see some of that cheese starting to ooze out from the inside. Are you kidding me? Was it Wendy's who said, "Where's the beef?" We know where the beef is. Perfect addition to this big ass cheeseburger.
Now the challenge is the holding,
Yes.
the protecting,
Yep.
so that it doesn't blow apart in your hand.
And we're going to do a separate video on that, how to eat a big ass burger.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. Yep, definitely got to go to church Sunday on this one. Whoa!
There you go.
Oh, yep.
That cheese in there. Nice. Well done. All right, that'll feed 50.
Here we go, man.
All right.
Oh my god. Holy. Oh my god. Holy smoking good. I love this big ass burger, dude. This is great. This is a gobstopper of a burger.
This thing got so much juice.
Got that little coffee background to it.
Oh yeah,
Good shots of the meat. Oh yeah.
So how's this go?
Great job, Stefan.
The next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQ Pit Boys.com.
Yeah, right here.